Consumer gadget maker Samsung Electronics has finally added the third member of the Tab S7 lineup, the lighter and cheaper Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Fan Edition. With a price tag of $39,990, the productivity tablet will arrive in 4 color options: Mystic Green, Mystic Black, Mystic Silver, and Mystic Pink. Both the Mystic Silver and Mystic Pink are online exclusive. The new features on the variant are designed around user-friendly features to maximize learning, productivity, and creativity. With its 128GB internal storage that is expandable up to 1 terabyte, users will be able to download and store school files and work with numerous apps. The redesigned S Pen allows students to also convert digital handwriting into text on Samsung Notes,